Think about this for a second. How cool would it be if you can listen to music and get paid a handsome amount of money for listening to music on your phone or computer? It doesn't matter where you are available right now. This method works for anyone anywhere, whether you are in America, Africa, Asia, or any of the continents. Imagine uploading one song and earning around $5. If you upload 2 songs, you earn $10, and if you upload 10 songs, you earn $50. And this method does not involve any investment, it's 100% free. That is great, right? Let's jump into the steps without wasting much time. Before we head into the steps, you need to have your own PayPal account. Head on to the official website and create your account for free. That out of the way, let's jump into the steps and start making money. Step 1. Head on to mixkit.co. Mixkit.co is a free website for video creators that has a gallery of free video clips, music tracks, and Premiere Pro templates. Too good to be true, Mixkit is a legit site. Mixkit is a child of the popular Envato marketplace, and Envato is using this site to provide free samples of footage, music, and services to the creative community. Okay, now, let's pay attention and head on to genre. After clicking on genre, choose one of the following, but for the sake of this video I'm going to choose hip-hop, which has a lot of popularity. Now, all these music are free, there are a bunch of them, just scroll down and see. Click on any of the music to listen to, and click on the download button to download. Step 2. Let's head on to the website upload-forever.com. Make sure to read the information yourself, but before that let me tell you one thing about this website. It's basically a file uploading site, and anytime you upload a file and somebody downloads it, you get paid directly into your PayPal account or bank account or whatever account you're going to use for this website. It sounds good, and you can make quite an amount of money on this website. Again, the website has so many payment methods, they can pay you through PayPal, cryptocurrencies, and other payment methods, and also one of the good things are that here you can withdraw as low as $1 depending on your payment method. Let's pay much attention so that we will not miss any step and end up making no money. I want you to head up to the sign up page, click on the sign up, and here you provide the necessary information, your username and password and your email. If you're enjoying the video, please make sure to click on the subscribe button in order to get updated as and when we update this video and upload other new videos. Finish creating your account and move into your dashboard, locate the payment option and click on it. Select your payment option and add the necessary payment information. Click on Upload File in the dashboard and select Choose File to upload the music we downloaded. Don't forget to add the music description so that anytime someone downloads, you earn a nice amount of money. Make sure your music is public and click on the Start Upload to upload your music. Please pay much attention to the last steps in order to start making money. Now, click on your profile and select My Files. Select the music you uploaded and click on the Edit button in order to set the price of the music. But wait, if you are in US and Canada, then you fall under Tier 1 and can therefore set the price to a maximum of $7. If you're in Australia, then you fall under Tier 2 and can therefore set the price to a maximum of $4. If you are in Saudi Arabia, then you fall under Tier 3 and can therefore set the price to a maximum of $4 as well. But if you're in any other country, then you fall under Tier 4 and can therefore set the price to a maximum of $3, which is not bad. Without much ado, I will say hoala, enjoy your day and start making money. Please don't forget to subscribe to get more updates on tips to earn money daily.